Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to open the notification bar, activate Bluetooth, and after that click and hold this icon. Do the same on the second smartphone. And as you can see in the available devices, I got my private smartphone Huawei P30 Pro, and I'm going to connect to this device. So just simply tap on the device that you want to connect. Right now accept the pair on the both devices, and as you can see right now they are in the paired devices, so we can easily send and transfer data between them. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.